In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Mobirise project as a zip file and upload it to Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a clean, portable copy of your site that's easy to store, share, or hand off to a collaborator. First, open Mobirise and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account where your project is saved. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if your project includes images, videos, or custom assets synced to the cloud. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm that your latest edits are saved so the published copy reflects your most recent changes. Next, open your project from the Mobirise dashboard. If you have multiple projects, double-check the name and thumbnail so you're working on the correct one. This is also a good time to preview your site and confirm that pages, links, and blocks look the way you expect. Now click on Publish. This opens the Publishing Options window. You'll see several ways to export your site, but for a portable copy you can store anywhere. Choose Download as Zip. This option bundles your website files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets into a single compressed file. It's ideal for archiving, emailing, or uploading to a cloud drive. When prompted, pick a destination on your computer and give the zip a clear, memorable name, like including the project name and date. Then confirm to start the export. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a moment. Keep the window open until Mobirise finishes packaging everything. With your zip ready, it's time to upload it to Google Drive. If you want one simple file that's easy to move or share, upload the zip as is. In Google Drive, you can drag the zip into the browser window or use the New button and choose File Upload. Drive will show an upload progress indicator. Avoid closing your browser until it completes. If you prefer to access individual files in Drive, say to preview or organize assets, you can upload the contents of the zip instead. On your computer, open the zip to view its files, then drag the folder or files into Google Drive. For an entire site folder, the folder upload option can be cleaner. Either way works. Choose the approach that fits how you plan to use the files. That's it. You logged into Mobirise, opened your project, published it as a zip, and uploaded the zip or its contents to Google Drive. Keep this zip as a backup and consider adding version numbers or dates for easy tracking. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and follow along as you go.